Keep going straight. You're getting tired?
Yeah. You shouldn't drink so much. Are we gonna get in trouble for this?
They won't notice a thing. That's how it looks most of the time anyway. Whoa, 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 whoa,
So good, make a grown man cry. Sweet cherry pie, yeah. Sweet cherry pie.
15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
Yep, everybody knows that.
Well, did you know that some owls aren't that wise?
Don't forget I'm having brunch with Megan tomorrow.
Who?
Seriously, remember like 3 times.
Who? Geico.
No coming back. The enemy will be watching. I know what you are.
You have no idea.
I'm not afraid of you.
You should be.
Show turn.
Ray Breslin is able to break out of any prison designed by man.
We're testing a prototype facility to deal with people no government wants on their books. The people financing this need to know these facilities are escape-proof.
Contact on the site.
The warden's name is Roger Marsh.
When do we start?
You just did.
Welcome to your new home.
I'm Warden Hobbs.
Hobbs. Where's Warden Marsh?
There is no Warden Marsh. This is the... You look like a vegetarian. That was good.
What's he up to? They're planning an escape. Drag the rats back to their cages.
If I don't get out, I kill you.
Fair enough.
Oh, don't be shocked. Simple mechanics, engineering. Each one is still alive.